This video will cover the forensic analysis of electric motor failure, focusing on root cause identification, diagnostics, and prevention strategies. We can categorize electric motor vulnerabilities into a hierarchy. The primary zone is the bearings, accounting for about 50% of failures. The secondary zone is the stator at around 30%. Zone 1, bearing failures, represent approximately 50% of all failures. Key failure modes include lubrication failure, overloading, and electrical discharge, also known as fluting. Zone 2 covers stator winding faults, which account for about 30% of failures. These are often caused by insulation degradation, thermal overloading, or environmental ingress, leading to short circuits. Zone 3 focuses on rotor and mechanical integrity. Rotor failures include broken rotor bars and end ring thermal stress. Mechanical anomalies involve soft foot, bent shafts, and misalignment. Root causes often stem from environmental factors. Enemy number 1 is heat, accelerating insulation aging. Enemy number 2 is contamination, such as dirt and chemicals blocking cooling passages. Systemic stress factors include electrical and mechanical stress. Electrical stress involves transient voltages and voltage imbalance, while mechanical stress relates to improper installation, over-tightening, and excessive load. The diagnostic toolkit includes vibration analysis, which detects physical movement anomalies. This is used to target defects like misalignment, mechanical looseness, and early-stage bearing damage. Motor current signature analysis, or MCSA, analyzes the electrical signal to diagnose internal physical faults. It targets defects such as broken rotor bars, eccentricity, and air gap issues. Thermal and insulation diagnostics utilize infrared imaging to visualize invisible hotspots. The Megger test measures insulation resistance and dielectric health to assess risk. The forensic protocol begins with securing and observing. This involves safety first with lockout/tagout, a visual inspection for damage, and a review of maintenance history. Verification involves a mechanical check to manually assess shaft movement. Electrical testing follows, executing winding resistance and insulation resistance tests. Transforming diagnostics into reliability means focusing on high-risk areas like bearings and the stator. Monitor stressors like heat and contamination, and apply the diagnostic toolkit systematically to prevent recurring failures.